of weeks now since I last made hot pot stew, Scottish stew. So I'm going to prepare another Scottish hot pot. It should do me. It usually lasts about 3 days, 4 days. I make enough for the beginning of the week, and it's usually the middle of the week to near the end when I have finished it. So yeah, it'll do me a few days. Maybe I'll have chicken for the weekend. I can always use the leftovers of the chicken to make sweet and sour chicken, which is one of my favourites. But yeah, preparing my dinner. That reminds me, I've got a washing to do later on today, so that'll take up a little bit of my time tonight. I've also got the dishes to do from this morning's breakfast. Yeah, a little bit of cleaning up is on the agenda for tonight. I'll need to make spare an hour for that task. It's not all fun and games, painting and whatever. I do have housework to do as well. I've got this house to keep in order. I've got the messages to go and get. I've got bills to pay, to go and pay. I've got doctor prescriptions to go and get. So don't believe for 1 minute that it's all painting and making things and creating things. I do have another side to my life, and which I like to share with you. You'll see in some of my videos that I do share the everyday other tasks. So yeah, look out for more of those inspiring videos to come. As you've seen in yesterday's vlog video, I attempted to do more to my snow leopard painting, the very large one. Unfortunately, halfway through, as you've probably seen if you've watched it, I wasn't happy with the standing up snow leopard, so I scrubbed it out. I didn't film me scrubbing it out because it's just too painful to watch, but that one's gone, so I'm going to be replacing it with a much better snow leopard. I hear you asking why I scrubbed it out. I just did not think the proportions were correct. I liked the pose, but the proportions were just not. I just looked at it at a certain angle and I thought, no, that needs to go. I need to restart that again. So that's what I did. And when I did paint that leopard in, it took me about maybe a couple of days. But I'd been at that painting for a good few weeks. And that's what I said, it was just lost work. So anyway, not to dwell on it. You know yourself, if I'm going to replace it, it will be better. So I've just got that canvas to dry because I had to blank it out, as you've seen, and then I've had to this morning put some lighter paint on it so that I can draw in the other leopard, because it's pretty hard to draw in a outline when there's a dark especially black background. So I've added some lighter shades into that so that I can draw on top of it, and we should be getting on with that the next couple of days. So I am out and about looking for more wildlife to film for reference material, and also I've already put the seed down for the birds and animals. So anyway, in the lettuce and the cabbage and whatever for the rabbits, because the bunny rabbits were out again, and I notice they are multiplying. There's more rabbits in Leafy's Wood, more so than last year, so they're thriving. Anyway, and there's signs of Mr. Fox coming through. Some scraps that I put out, they're gone, so I know he's about, so he'll keep the rabbit population down to a decent number. Anyway, so that it does not get overpopulated, as you know, then, because that's when things start getting destroyed and the environment gets the casualty, gets the casualty. But yeah, out and about, as per normal, just going about looking for different things, try and get my appetite whet for the next painting. I've got, as you see in my videos, that I have lots and lots of paintings on the go, so I'm not short of what to do. So I'm out, as it says, I'm getting inspiration for those paintings, and go back maybe this afternoon and do a couple more. Yeah. When I was up the town the other day, I went into the works and I obtained 2 canvases, A3 size, one of my favourite sizes for doing oil paintings. I think it's the measurement 16 by 24, it's A3 size. So I've got a couple of paintings in mind for them, and I can't wait to get them started. As with all other paintings, I just cannot wait till I put my idea onto canvas. One, I've thought that it could be, you know where the gorse is where I feed the birds, and I showed you the other day the outline of a bunny rabbit hopping about in the background with the sun just twinkling through. I'm thinking of doing a painting just like that, with the outline of the rabbit just in the background with the birds jumping about in the bottom of the gorse. I think that would be nice. It would give me a nice memory as well, to look at the painting, just to bring back those memories of these mornings when I'm out filming the birds and the animals. So that's one idea. The other one is the subject that I'm on at the moment, snow leopards. I'm wanting to do A3 size painting of a snow leopard in the snow. The big large one that I'm doing, as you've seen, is just in the mountains. There's not much snow in it, but I'm still in 2 doubts whether to put more snow into that or not. But I want to do the A3 size with lots and lots of snow, so that's the 2 ideas I have for those canvases. Not that I'm short of canvases, it's just that when I was up the town the other day, went into the works, it's lethal going into a shop, an art shop with me, like, because I always come out with something, and that's the only reason I came out with those 2 paintings. Yeah. So, sorry, I was distracted there. Such a beautiful and lovely day today. I think this is the warmest day we've had this year, you know. I know it's not well into the new year, but this is March the 4th. Yeah, the hottest day we've had so far. There's even flies out. This is the first time I've seen flies flying in the air. They don't like the cold. When I was going to the supermarket yesterday, in a big house beside where I stay, the daffodils have come up. They're not flowering yet, but they're just about to. So we're going to have a beautiful show of daffodils soon. And tulips. Tulips are lovely. But I love daffodils. A lot of the birds are preparing their nests. I see them collecting moss at the moment. So they're starting to either build or rebuild their home, the nest, for the coming egg laying and the introduction of new bird life. Yeah. I'm going to soak up the sun today, I think. Tropical compared to what we have had previous, as you all know. I hope it's the outlook of things to come. More hot weather, please. I'll need to be going back soon to prepare my lunch and to do any little tasks that I have. And then the day will come to an end and a new one begins tomorrow. No doubt I'll be up at Leafy's Wood, giving the birds and the animals their breakfast. And I hope it is another nice day. But if it's not, we'll take what comes.